My god, what a year this has been. This is going to be the last video of this year. So this year has taken a lot from all the people. Like some of us lost their jobs, some of us have lost their family, and hell, some of us have even lost our loved ones. So I thought of ending this year by giving you something and ending it on a good note. So what I'll give you today is, it didn't cost me anything much apart from a few hours in Lightroom, but it is going to help you in a way where people who are like who has a trouble in editing their photos in Lightroom, or the people who doesn't want to give that much of time in Lightroom for editing, it will be a help to them, and it will be free to all. What I'll give you today will be 10 free presets for Lightroom which you can apply in your photos for an instant edit. And before we go to the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe will be a must for make the growth and also to keep me motivating while working. And for subscribing, I'm giving one thing. Just wait for a sec. If not for me, subscribe for him. Okay? Let's go back to my computer to show you how you can apply those presets in Lightroom.
So let us see how we can import these Lightroom presets into the Lightroom. First of all, what you need to do is unroll the Lightroom preset package and put it in desktop like I have. After that, open up your Lightroom software and click here if it is hidden, and if it is already showing, then what you have to do is come to this preset panel, click on this plus icon and then import preset. And after that, go to desktop and locate the preset folder, come here, select all and press import. And after that, on the downside, on the user preset panel, go there and you will find all of the presets here. Like this one, this one, this one, this one. Now what you need to do, you might be thinking that this is a bit much. So what you can do is tweak it from here. So maybe this blue is too much. So what you can do is come to the saturation and decrease it. And that gives a good result, isn't it?
I hope the preset will help you. So at the end of the day, I'd like to wish all of you a happy new year, Merry Christmas, and hope the new year will give you everything that you want from your life. And that's all for today. Like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if I can be of any help where you need any help regarding your editing or photo taking techniques or anything. Thank you.